Welcome to Fabritec Tile Cleaning. Your experts in slate floor revival here in Hounslow. Why does slate lose its appeal over time? Common issues like soap residue, accumulated dirt, and inappropriate cleaning products can dull its natural beauty. But there's good news. Our specialised restoration service is designed to counteract these problems. Using advanced equipment, we meticulously clean deep into your slate and grout, removing ingrained soil and stains. After cleaning, we apply specialist long-lasting sealers to enhance and preserve its vibrant natural colours, ensuring your floor remains beautiful without becoming slippery or greasy. A beautifully maintained slate floor isn't just a surface, it's a centrepiece that transforms the entire look and feel of your room. Ready to see the difference? Call us today at 01372 664 337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Let Fabritec bring the life back to your slate floors.